Hello guys, I just reached Jaipur railway station. It's already quite late at night, so I will have to stay nearby. We will begin the Vipassana journey from tomorrow.
Hello guys, good morning.
Right now I am near the station. Let me ask an auto driver about the fare to reach the Vipassana center.
अच्छा भैया, ये ऑटो का यहाँ पे कितना जाएगा? सिसोदिया रानीबाग। हाँ, तो वहाँ पे विपासना सेंटर है ना, धम्मासाली। एक मिनट दिखाता हूँ आपको।
So here auto driver are asking around 250 rupees. But if you book a cab, it's showing around 115 rupees for me. So I would recommend booking a cab instead. Finally, I have reached the Vipassana center. Right now, I am just reached in the office here. So we need to fill out some form before starting. Let me show you around. This side is the woman kitchen. This side is the woman office. And this side is woman campus. And that side men's campus. And this side is the dining area. Now let's move ahead. I will show you the staying area and rooms. There are around 200 plus rooms here, and the place is very peaceful and surrounded by the nature. It's so beautiful location. Meditation sessions are held in this hall for men. We used to meditate here for around 10 hours a day. and this is a bell used by the Dhamma Sevak to wake up us in the morning. And this is a pagoda that you can see. Inside there are meditation cells. If you are a new student, you may get access to these few days only. You can see the lot of monkeys around the campus from time to time. Let's move ahead. That side is a new rooms. You will find the basic facility here. The place is very beautiful and peaceful. Hot water is available between the 6:30 to 8 a.m. in the morning. So this side is a pagoda, and over here are the rooms for staying. These are some rooms on that side as well as. My luggage is mostly packed now.
और इस तरफ भी है, उनको भी दिखाते हैं।
And this side is an older room, around 30-40 years old. So this was my room, MD10. You get two beds here along with the pillow covers and blanket. These are quite old style room. On the last day, we also got a chance to do seva here.
रिव्यू ले रहे हैं विपासना सेंटर का. सो अभी हम बात करते हैं. सो बडी,
Yes.
यू हैव टू टेल योर नेम, एज, प्लेस एंड योर एक्सपीरियंस.
So my name is Tzur Maoz. I'm from Israel. I'm 28. I heard about Vipassana since 14. I heard about it through a YouTube channel actually. The experience was amazing. It takes determination, it takes time and effort. You don't come here to vacation, you come here to work. I think that inside the hall you have a feeling of meditation, you know, you have a feeling of you came here to work, to sit, to look, to observe yourself, which was very nice. And outside, the surrounding area here is very peaceful, very calming. From the monkeys to the trees to the peacocks, you have everything here, which was really nice. And the pagoda also give you the extra edge.
So what are your views on about India and its hospitality?
Oh, of course, I love India. I've been here for a month, which is not enough time to experience India. India is very diverse and very large. But I really like the people, I really like the energy of India, the culture of India, the nature of India. And I think this country has so much history and so much beautiful experience and beautiful people, beautiful things to see and do, that
Okay.
you cannot do it in one month. But because I will definitely come back.
So would you like to come again for this second time?
For Vipassana?
Meditation.
Yes, of course. I don't know if it will be in this center because it will take me travel, but of course I would want to do a second round.
Okay. So last question.
Yeah.
In only 30 seconds, tell in your language.
In my language. Okay.
To your country people about this experience. Only in 30 seconds. Experience in Israeli. Okay.
אז בעברית, ויפאסנה זה חוויה מאוד שונה. היא לא חוויה דתית, היא חוויה רוחנית אישית, שאתה לוקח את עצמך, אתה בעצם, ויפאסנה אומר להסתכל פנימה, ואתה לומד להסתכל פנימה, אתה לומד להסתכל על התחושות שלך, על הגוף שלך, על התחושות השונות בגוף שלך, וככה אתה לומד מה זה סבל, מה המקור לסבל, איך אתה יכול להתגבר עליו, כמה כוחות יש בך. וגם אתה לומד להתגבר על כל מיני דברים בתוכך. אני חושב שכל אחד צריך לעשות את זה, ולפחות להתנסות ולתת לחוויה הזאת את 10 ימים של הניסיון. וזהו.
Okay. I'll make it short, but last thing. You have to stay with me. We both will say Bhavatu Bhavatu
Sarva Mangalam.
The ending of the... Okay.
Bhavatu
Bhavatu Sava. Sabata.
I'll say, then after you'll repeat, okay?
Okay.
Bhavatu
Saba.
Mangalam.
Now we are going outside. This side is a women dining area and that side is a women office.
ये रहे निखिल भाई.
Now we are going to explore Jaipur, and this is my friend, and I will be staying here one more day to explore Jaipur.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.